Today, let's talk about interesting facts and insights. We will explore some fascinating facts about PTE that many Indian students may not know. Fact number 1. Did you know that PTE is an automated English language proficiency test that uses artificial intelligence for evaluation? All 4 primary language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, are tested in a single 3-hour session. That's incredible. No wonder the scores are so accurate and consistent. Fact number 2. PTE is accepted by thousands of academic institutions worldwide, including leading universities in countries like the US, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. This test is also accepted by various immigration agencies and professional organizations. This means your score is valuable whether you stay in India or decide to study abroad. Fact number 3. PTE offers flexible test dates and locations, making it easy for Indian students to schedule their test at a time and venue that suits their convenience. This is impressive. It reduces the stress of traveling to different cities to take the test. Fact number 4. PTE scores are delivered within 48 hours of taking the test, making it ideal for students who need quick results for academic or professional purposes. Getting the scores within 2 days of the test gives you time to plan and prepare for your next steps. Fact number 5. PTE is an affordable option for Indian students compared to other English language tests. The fee is approximately $13,000 and includes additional services like sending score reports to institutions. It's an excellent option for students who want a high-quality test without breaking the bank. So there you go. Here are the 5 most interesting facts about PTE. To know more, subscribe to our channel.